Let's begin with some big news that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this one is related to Congress leader Digvijay Singh, who in a way has stirred a political controversy by defending Umar Khalid, one of the accused in the riots. He described Umar Khalid as totally innocent, insisting that a great injustice is being done, and Umar Khalid is not a traitor according to him by any standard. Not just that, Digvijay Singh further called for Khalid's immediate release, sparking debates across the political spectrum. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, good morning. Give us more details. What exactly was the context here where Digvijay Singh, the senior Congress leader, was seen defending Umar Khalid? Is about granting. Okay, there's some problem with the network out there. We'll try and reconnect with Pragya and get you more details on this one. But this is the latest update that we are getting for you. Digvijay Singh, a senior Congress leader there, seeking the release of Umar Khalid immediately. He's called Umar Khalid innocent, and in fact, this particular statement has sparked a political storm as well. According to him, great injustice is being done to Umar Khalid. Joining us on the broadcast right now is BJP's Pradeep Bhandari. Mr. Bhandari, good morning. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of this statement that has come from senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh?
Well, this tells you that the Congress today has become the front of all those entities who want a weak India and who do not believe in the unity and integrity of India. Umar Khalid is the key conspirator of anti-Hindu Delhi riots, the objective of which was a regime change. Sharjeel Imam wanted to remove the chicken neck from the northeast. The same Congress party in the past has called a terrorist like Hafiz Saeed as Hafiz Saeed Ji, has called a global terrorist like Osama as Osama Ji. Why is it that it has become the habit of the Congress party under Rahul Gandhi to give soft support or direct support to either terror sympathizers or separatists? This is why we question the patriotism and national unity of the Congress party. Congress never stands openly with patriots but comes out openly with rioters and key conspirators of riots. This tells you that the Congress party's heart does not lie in India. Its heart lies to weaken India. That is why when Rahul Gandhi had said that he wants to fight the Indian state, all of these statements make it very clear.
All right, Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Viewers, let's now take you through what exactly has been put out by senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh, as far as Umar Khalid is concerned. So this is a post that has been put out on X by Digvijay Singh. He says, and I quote, Umar Khalid बेकसूर है, उसके साथ बहुत अन्याय हो रहा है, is what he said. PhD स्कॉलर हैं और किसी मापदंड में राष्ट्रद्रोही नहीं है, उसे तत्काल रिहा किया जाना चाहिए. He's also in fact at Congress party and Rahul Gandhi. BJP clearly is now slamming Congress party and Digvijay Singh specifically for this kind of a remark that has come from Digvijay Singh.